we shared an example of a successful collaboration with a lender that benefited both your clients and your business.
Paired up with Adrian, of course, and we utilized the Home Light program to the Buy Before You Sell program.
He knows his competition better than they know themselves.
I'm excited to be here because my guys over there, when they told me that there's some winners, it's going to be out there.
You have to ask for the referral too. It's like, hey, anybody you know, I'd love to give them great service and help them out and, show your value proposition. It's like, I can find them a great deal.